After every journey, your body deserves a place to recover. Meet the Titan Forge 3D. Intelligent Body Scan customizes every massage, while the SL Track follows the natural curve of your spine. Advanced 3D massage adjusts depth with precision. Recline into 3 stages of zero gravity with full comfort and only 3 inches of wall clearance. 24 air cells gently massage your shoulders, arms, calves, and feet. Soothing lumbar heat helps ease muscle tension. Triple foot rollers deliver revitalizing reflexology massage. The spring-loaded footrest extends up to 7 inches. Easily personalize every session with 21 auto programs, 11 manual modes, and an intuitive controller. Convenient side controls keep your favorite adjustments within easy reach. Built-in Bluetooth speakers surround you with the sounds you love. A convenient USB-A charging port designed for everyday recovery. Titan Forge 3D.